and welcome back to the machine learning tutorial. So guys, what I want to do now is to work on this method called median. As you can see, the median value is the value in the middle. So to achieve that, we will also have to import the NumPy. There we go. And now I'm going to declare my variable. So let's declare the speed. And the speed is going to take in the following values. So this is representing the speed of each cars. Now, all we then need to do is to declare another variable that will be used to work out the median. So I'm going to say Q, that will be equals NumPy dot median. There. And we then enter the variable, the speed, I'm going to enter that right in here. And finally, let me get print to print out Q. There we go. So let's save this, then we'll run it and see. So go to File, Save, and I'm just going to call that Pi Medium. Save that, click on Run. There we go. And that is it right there. That's the medium, guys. So I'm going to run that again one more time. Click on Run. There we go. Look at that. Okay, and this is how you use the method median to find out the value in the middle. So I'm going to call that the end of this tutorial, and I'll see you guys shortly. Bye for now.